everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this lovely looking jar of date syrup. So growing up, I never liked honey. I still don't like it. I don't like the smell. I don't like the taste. I just don't like it. And I've been looking for a way to cut back on processed sugar, so I decided to try date syrup. I was in the supermarket one day and I was going to reach for a bottle of date syrup, and my friend just told me, why don't you make yours? That way you can be sure of what's in it. And I thought to myself, this is content. So guys, this is me making my own date syrup. So first things first, you take out the seeds from your dates and soak them in water. Mine have been soaking for about an hour, but I reserved some dates so I can show you how I take out my seeds. So you grab a knife and you split your dates down in the middle, and then you just pop out the seed, and then you throw back the flesh in the water so that it can soak and soften, and this will help to reduce our cooking time because we're going to be putting this on the stove. Right here, I'm just going in to check if the ones that have been soaking for a while have softened. I just give it a little press, and when you see that, okay, this is softened a bit, you can then proceed to put it on the stove. So the water is just about the same level with the dates, and as you can see, this is boiling, but we're still going to leave it for a bit till we get this muddy color and our dates are completely softened. So I'm just going in to check how soft it is, and yeah, we have it right where we want it. We can proceed to the next step. So after we have let this cool down, we're going to place a cheesecloth over a bowl where we want to strain the liquid from, and I'm just going ahead to add some of the dates mixture into the cheesecloth so that we can give this a squeeze. So while squeezing, you want to be really careful because this could splatter everywhere, and the last thing you want is ants gathering all around your workspace. So you just be careful and give it a squeeze, shake off the excess liquid on your palm, and continue to squeeze until you cannot squeeze any longer. After squeezing, this is all the liquid we have managed to collect. Next, you put back the liquid into the pot and place on the stove at medium heat, and we're going to be bringing this to a boil. Now once this starts to boil, make sure you stir continuously so that your date syrup does not burn, and as this boils, the reduction process kicks in, and you can see the quantity has reduced, and we want it to get to a specific consistency. Like you can see, it's a bit runny, but when this cools down, it's going to thicken up and give us that viscosity we're looking for. At this point, I turn off the stove and allow it to cool, and then I transfer to my repurposed mayonnaise jar. So guys, as you can see, it's giving us the viscosity that we want, and I'm just using this to sweeten my zobo or hibiscus drink. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it helpful, if you found it easy, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and please subscribe so that we can move this ministry to the permanent site. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate. Bye guys.